What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Toyota Crown. We're getting maintenance required soon. Right here on the dash. I'm show you how to reset that real quick, okay? So what you're gonna do is just go ahead and we're gonna press the OK button. I do have the car running when you get rid of this message here. What you need to do is go ahead and push down on the controller here, and it says hold OK to change settings. We're gonna hold that. We're gonna push OK, and it's gonna give us the settings menu right here. We're gonna go into settings by pressing OK. Then go down to vehicle settings. That's what we're looking for. Hit OK, or hold OK. I'm sorry. Then go down to we're gonna go scheduled maintenance first. And we're gonna reset that one. And we changed the oil in this car, so we're doing oil maintenance too. And we reset that one like that, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. It was. Appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if this worked for you, and I hope to see you again in another video.